I realized it was getting technical in what you are monitoring, which was very good. But then I also realized, oh, but you're going to monitor processes because you're not going to be the technical person. You have no ability to tell the quality of some of the things you're monitoring. But as it's summarized, the processes are important. Even if you're not an engineer, you can monitor the process going on. You know that this will not come out in time. And I thought we were going to award marks. I've been awarding marks. Thank you. I listen. And I want to thank the organizers for the conference. It's a good learning for us and for me, but it's also going to improve our outputs as a project as we go forward. All this meeting and the inputs are to better our outcomes finally. And thank you for organizing, and I bring you greetings from the ministry.
Presentation.
Yes.
So this is very
it's going to set the meeting with the PS. It's going to be able to help us.
Yeah.
So Joshua will help us secure a meeting or permanent secretary.
meeting master.
He will have more opportunity than me.
Okay.
But then we shall be able to receive this. Yeah, I think that's a good request.
Okay.
But the idea from there is you want it consolidated. So don't even fear making amalgamation of all these projects into one. You won't get any hit back because of your opinion. It's already circulating.
Okay. So because of the final selection, for them it's the most important to be a friend. So even we did not listen to the full length. So please, and those persons, you can evaluation your sheet. You can submit it later after reading their presentation carefully.
Yeah.
So we should be fair enough. We have to listen and read carefully for their preparation. They have done a lot of great efforts, and let's give a big hand whoever got it. So please, send the text it to all the assessment. Who wants it? I want it. I want to read it, and I need some time to give some. I'll make a very big comparison. I will not just in normal scoring. Whoever done that's a good effort in the morning time, they have done good efforts to be fair. We believe that whoever is joining our office, I think it is more than qualified enough. But for us, for me, my criteria is that how you can practically what they say help us and help the Ministry of Health, of course. So they are actually your colleague. Please give some good orientation, okay? When we inform and without fail. Last time we failed. Last time we tried to give some internship in the ministry, but now it's good time. We'll send it. After this.
Our challenge has always been
we have space. No, our office. Let them place in our office. While you are there, you can give some comment, or he can give some assignment to them.
Yeah.
So they are our team, you can say.
Okay.
That will be appreciated. Okay. You also you can give another assignment, but to finish our job first, please. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Richard, and Brian, and Sharifa. Thank you. Thank you for all your preparations. Thank you.
Mr. Jun?
Yes.
We are requesting the country rep
Yes, I already wrote it.
and the director to hand over
Which? Some gift.
the certificates.
Oh, okay. What is it? Okay. This is good occasion. Okay.
Do I have